so I'm gonna install this breaker for my kayak. It's not been running in the top 2 gears, so I hope this helps. Also getting a new battery. Actually, I'm gonna have to put this over it. Okay, I'm gonna have to. What about this? Yep. Let's see. Get good tight on there, I guess. I mean, shoot for him, they've done this before. Well, you know if I got the right part, but we're gonna find out. Alright. That's not gonna work. Wow. I have to find something to cut that a little shorter. Well, that didn't fix it. Alright, I was gonna give you a look at my kayak. Well, here. Over there. There we go, 0.5. There we go. This is my kayak. Ignore my messy garage. This is the end of the winter look here. Collecting leaves. But yeah, I got a Jackson bites. It's man, it's an awesome kayak. You can do so much to it. Over here I got an anchor trolley. Up here you got some storage you can use right up in there. These are for your rod tips right here. So if you put your pole up there between your legs. Alright, here's one of my pole holders. The Omega Pro, I like those because they got like 2 adjustable spots, you know. They're cool. And here's my little bitty fish finder. It's a Garmin Striker 4, I think. Something like that. I got it at a good deal on Facebook, like $70. And here's my seat. This is attached to my battery right here, and I attach it to my life jacket or whatever, and it goes back here around that power cord. So if I fall out, you know, it's running. It's kind of like my kill switch. Pops it off of there because thing's not on there like super tight, but it won't stay if I fall off. At least that's the plan. And here's my battery for the trolling motor. And I got a little storage bag back here. My towel, and golf towel. I got a little storage bag here. I got all kinds of stuff in here. You know, bobbers over here. This is where I keep my little battery for my fish finder, and I'm running a separate one there. Can't get that with one hand, but and then in the back there's my crate. It's just a regular old milk crate. I don't have anything in there that I carry that if it gets wet, I don't need a lid on that thing. And I don't ride with it back there when I'm transporting it, so it's not going to bounce out. There are a few fish holders on there. This boat didn't have pole holders, so it's a little nice. I had that thing on the side of the car, a little speaker. Oh, sorry, my wife texted me. Alright, there's my trolling motor. I took the top off of it and just ignore that black wrapped cable thing. I kind of cracked out on it. Started wrapping it with tape and never stopped. But yeah, you can move it up and down, back and forth, whatever. This right here comes up. So that's got a ski pole handle on it. And that's how I steer the trolling motor. That's how I turn it. But yeah, I mean, like I said, it's a Jackson Bight. It's a pretty open platform for a kayak, you know, but it's stable as fuck. I mean, it's like a floating platform almost. Yeah, I ain't dropping another 1,000 for a pedal drive kayak when I can just modify my $100 trolling motor to each their own. What's up? Hi.
I got locked out. I'm gonna go. Can I go to the coach back here and play with them?
Yeah, they're all out there.